Short questions. Define average speed. Write unit of speed. Average speed of a body is equal to total distance covered by body in total time taken by it. Average speed is equal to total distance over total time. SI unit of speed is meter per second. If a cyclist covers 15 kilometers distance in 1.5 hours, what is his speed in kilometer per hour and in meter per second? 1 kilometer equals 1000 meters. 1 hour is equal to 60 multiplied by 60 is equal to 3600 seconds. 1.5 hours is equal to 3600 plus 1800 is equal to 5400. Speed is equal to distance over time in kilometer per hour. Is equal to 15 over 1.5 is equal to 15 multiplied by 10 over 15 is equal to 10 kilometer per hour. In meter per second, speed is equal to distance over time is equal to 15,000 over 5400 is equal to 15 over 18. Approximately 28 meter per second. Draw distance time graph for increasing speed of the car. Answer is shown in the diagram. A car is moving with uniform speed. Driver apply brakes to slow it down after some time and finally stops. Sketch a distance time graph to represent this motion of the car. Answer is shown in the diagram. Explain briefly why action and reaction forces cannot cancel each other. Reaction forces are equal and opposite, but they are not balanced forces because they act on different objects, so they don't cancel out each other. How do birds fly in the sky? Briefly explain with action-reaction pair concept. The flying of a bird is based on action and reaction forces. The birds push the air down with wings to get an equal and opposite reaction in the upward direction which help them to fly. Define force and its SI unit. Force is an agent that pulls or pushes an object. In SI system, unit of force is Newton, N. Look at the distance time group. A. Which part is representing uniform motion? AB part is representing uniform motion. B. Which part is representing decreasing speed? BCD part is representing decreasing speed. C. Which part of body is at rest? A part of body is at rest. Long questions. Draw distance time graph for A. Body at rest. B. With uniform speed. C. Moving increasing speed and D. Decreasing speed. A. Body is at rest. B. With uniform speed. C. Moving increasing speed. D. Decreasing speed. Define force and its unit. Give its example to explain different effects of forces on a body. Force is an agent that pulls or pushes an object. In SI system, unit of force is Newton, N. It can speed up or slow down the moving object. Example, catching a ball hit by a batsman. It can change the direction of motion of the body. Example, the opening or closing the door. It can change shape or size of the body. Example, conversion of a metal into sheet. With the help of examples, show that forces act in pair. Gun pushes the bullet and bullet pushes it back. Recall. Student pulls on desk, desk pulls on student. Standing on the ground. The upward thrust of a rocket. A hammer pushes a nail. Magnets attract paper clip. Thanks for watching. Please don't forget to subscribe Phys Education and press the bell button for early notifications.